Hi, today I will show one of graphic design trend this year called Minimal Doodle, and we will make it in Canva. I will explain as simple as I can. First, open Canva and then open a project in Canva. I will choose social media, Instagram post, and then upload your photo. Click edit, see all, and choose magic wrap. Click here on the pizza and also here and on the slice, and then click grab. Now select on the woman, click edit. You can choose doodle or line art. I will choose line art. So now we have it. And I will select them all. I will increase the size. Let's make a pizza poster with this image. I will add a modern city skyline. And I will place it here. And then I will add this ground square background. I will change the color to red. I will increase the size, rotate, and I will place it here. I will duplicate. I will change the color to yellow. And I'll place it here and rotate it. I will add the brand name here and the tagline here. And now we have it. You can apply it to another kind of photo or design. I hope you like it. See you next video and have fun with Canva.